gabi?
My family.
Wow, pamilya ng inspirasyon sa iyang gaw. Very good, very well said. Pamilya kaayo ang iyang inspirasyon. Alright, before we throw you the question, baka may gusto kang pasalamatan ngayong gabi? Wala daw siya yung pasalamatan. Salamat kayo, ma'am. So, she's very nervous right now. Please, the number for the question. Please speak your number, ma'am.
Sige, ragpuan sa iyang palda na. Katul.
Your number is number 2. Please pick your judge between 2 and 3.
2.
Judge number 2, sir, please throw your question. Hello. Hello, candidate number 6. This is your question. If you could have dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be and why? I repeat the question. If you would have a dinner with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be and why?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Please repeat the question. Okay, I repeat the question. If you could have dinner, anyone, dead or alive,
Buhay o patay.
who would it be and why?
Ganang kasabay sa pagkaon ba?
My father, because she taught me how to independent woman. That's all. Thank you.
Short back and size answer, she wanted to have a dinner with his father because her father taught her how to become an independent person.